Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 laser hair removal machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Mlay M3 updated IPL laser hair removal device machine. Product details. Brand name, Mlay. Power type, electric. Material, ABS. Model number, Mlay M3. Item type, Epilator. Use, Bikini, body, face, underarm. Lamp life, 1 lamp 500,000 flashes. Tube material, quartz lamp. Treatment area, 3.9 C. Input power, 36 W. Wavelength, 470 to 1100 nanometers. Weight, 2.0 kilograms. Subtle, 385 grams. Item number 2 is Mlay Laser Hair Removal 500,000. Product details. Brand name, Mlay. Power type, electric. Material, ABS. Size, Mlay MELSYA Laser Hair Removal. Model number, Laser Epilator. Item type, Epilator. Use, Bikini, body, face, underarm. Model, Mlay Laser T3. Type, MELSYA IPL hair removal. Tube material, quartz lamp. Treatment area, 3.9 centimeters. Wavelength, 470 to 1100 nanometers. Rated frequency range, 50 Hz/60 Hz. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Mlay IPL Depilador, a laser hair removal machine. Product details. Brand name, Mlay. Power type, electric. Material, ABS. Size, Malay. Model number, Laser Mlay. Item type, Epilator. Treatment area, 3.9 centimeters. Wavelength, 470 to 1100 nanometers. Rated frequency range, 50 Hz/60 Hz. Highlight, laser hair removal. Hair removal lamp type, quartz lamp. Lens flash, 500,000 flashes. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.